Come in, come in. I've been expecting you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good evening, good evening. I sense that you are into the Bitcoin, so?
Yeah, oh, you know. You are a real fortune teller, you know. I'm not telling a lie, you are a real fortune teller.
Sit down, sit down.
So when you sit down?
If you want me to tell the fortune, you sit down.
On the floor.
Alright.
Bumbo clap, bumbo yoga pose of the blood.
So I guess you want to know the price of the Bitcoin.
Yeah, how you know? He's a good fortune teller, and I'm not telling a lie, he's a good fortune teller. Yes, the price of the Bitcoin in 2020, and that I want to know, yeah man.
The price of the Bitcoin in 2020, it is a good year. I have 2020 vision, my friend. Just a moment. I channel the spirits for you right now. So right now, I am receiving the transactions, but I cannot get a confirmation.
Receiving transaction.
You wait 1 second, you wait a moment. I wait for this confirmation from the spirits.
Confirmation?
I cannot get the confirmation. You have to pay more money, I'm sorry.
Pay more money? After I done pay with PayPal, I want to the brother man.
You just pay some more money, sir. Pay some more money, okay?
See ya man, see the bumbo clap money. Sweeter.
Thank you. Yes. I can use the Lightning Spirit Network.
Lightning Spirit Network.
Oh, what is blood clot man I talk about? The price of the Bitcoin in 2020 is the price of the Bitcoin in 2020 is $100,000. $100,000. You happy, my friend? You happy? It's a nice price. I think it's a very nice price.
That sounds really good.
Yo, thank you so much. Yeah, man. Give thanks. Yeah, man. Maggie a tip, man. Maggie a tip. 1, 2, 3. See there. I'm happy for the tip, man. I'm happy for the tip. Let me see this tip.
Yo, give thanks, you know, Shanga. Yo, now come check again. Little more.
No problem, man. You know, good luck with the Bitcoin. That's the third motherfucker today asking the price of the fucking Bitcoin. I don't fucking know the price of the Bitcoin. The spirits don't know the price of the Bitcoin, but fuck, I love the Bitcoin. Thank you, Bitcoin.